Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today, man, this is getting old, the intro being the same thing every time you're walking through the shop. Today we are getting right on to that toolbox that I said I was going to sand and paint. Well, I haven't sanded it and I haven't painted it, so that's what we're gonna do today. We got her sitting right here. We'll clean her off with a paper towel, sand it, and then shoot it with some nice red paint. And then we'll put her back over there and organize all those electrical supplies into it, and we'll get the shop one step closer to being clean and organized.